guys, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl born in June. Hey kings and queens, how you doing or whatever? Welcome to our second paycheck breakdown. If you have not watched my first paycheck breakdown for the month of May, make sure you go ahead and click that link. I will try to remember to put the cards, I think it is, up in the video so you guys can check that out. Also, if you do like these videos, make sure you give this video a like. And also, please subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content that you see here. So yeah, I couldn't find my Pentel. So I'm gonna be using this palette G207 pen to make, actually my Pentel's in my car, but I don't feel like going for it. It's all the way downstairs. So anyways, let's get started on this paycheck bill tracker. So this is the 15 May 2020. Okay, then let's clear this. My income for this paycheck is $602.97. So I have $602.97 to work with. Actually, this should be in purple because should be in purple. So I'm writing in pencil. You know what? I'll leave the 602.97 for now in black, and then I'll make the corrections. Oof, you guys don't judge me. I'm gonna get it right at some point. Just hold up, all right? Then, just extra funds in account that I have, and this is just from like my Mother's Day stuff and like other savings account and stuff that I had. So it's just extra that I have in my account. And I'm just gonna write that so we know exactly like how much, it is. And that amount is 167.71. So that brings my total, actually, this thing green. So that brings my total to 770.68, and that is what we're gonna be working with to do the breakdown, right? So my 15 paycheck is actually my fun money paycheck, my do whatever you want with a paycheck, my hey girl, what you feeling like getting? So I do not pay any bills with this paycheck, so nope. So we're gonna move down. For the envelopes, I already filled all of these for the month of what I'm gonna put in there, so nope. This is a really quick one, guys. Like, I really only do one thing with this. For my sinking funds, I am putting extra towards car maintenance because I actually have to get the brakes on my car fixed. And so I think I'm gonna be doing that next month. And so I am going to be putting 25 towards that. So that's gonna be what that is. So let me move all funding. So bills is 0 and leftover is 770.68. Envelope total is 0, leftover is 770.68. And then this is, let me not forget that. This is 770.68. Okay. That so that's what that is. And so we're gonna minus 25 from this 770.68 minus $25, and that's gonna leave us with sinking fund total of, so sinking fund total is $25, and our balance left over is 745.68. And as you guys know, I do not pay anything extra towards debt because it actually comes out of my paycheck before I even see it at all. So nope, I'm telling you, this is like hella quick. So I didn't want to do it by itself, so that's why I gave you guys the update. And then now for extra savings, okay? So I have a leftover of 745.68 in my account. Now, my account always has a buffer in it. This is for any fluctuations that may happen, any bills that may happen, stuff like that. And also my dad has a card to this account, so if they need like little things and stuff, they can use this buffer in this account. So my account buffer, this is not a black pen, but is $50, right? And then that's what I actually leave inside my Navy Fed account, $50 buffer. And then also the main thing for this money is the 10K and $5 challenge. All right, and that will be a total of $695. And then we also have the 68 cents different, so we are gonna put that as savings. And we are going to put 68 cents. So our total, $695 plus the 50 plus the 68 cents is $745.68. So this is 745.68, and so leftover is 0. So I'm actually gonna put this money inside my 10K and $5 challenge, and then next month when I do the update, you guys will see how much I have total for month number 3. But anyways, guys, that is really it. It is not a lot that goes on this month. Well, for this paycheck anyways, this is mainly a savings paycheck, which as you can see, $695 is basically the entire paycheck almost. And then I have a $50 buffer, which is basically the entire paycheck almost. The only thing that's new on here, because sinking funds wouldn't have gotten anything either. The only thing new on here is the car maintenance, and the only reason why I wouldn't have put anything in any of these categories, sinking funds, and everything is going mainly here, is because I am doing that saving challenge. So because I am doing the saving challenge, this is why this is the total, the $695. But if you guys want to see my first paycheck tracker, my first May 2020 paycheck tracker, you guys can see it. And like I said in that one, these are my monthly bills, and you know what I pay for. Everything comes out of my first paycheck, and then my 15th is basically my savings. So I'm like a once a month payment kind of person. Even if my automatic bills comes out later, it's once a month payment kind of thing for me. So anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. I know it was not what you expected for a regular like paycheck update, but this is just what works for me. And if you guys would like more information on that, on you know how I separated the two, I am in the military, so that helps me being able to separate them easier. But then also cash stuffing also helps with separating. So, you know, there's different things how to do, but for my military income and for those people who are in the military and would like to, you know, information on this, then this is for you. Or if you are a military spouse or something, anything, you know, this would possibly help you. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope it was informative. I hope it helps you do something, you know, and understand just how separating your bills, separating your paychecks and stuff, you know, having your fun money. Because before I actually was doing this 10K and $5 challenge, this was actually real life fun money. Before I was putting all my money to different places and being specific with where I spent them, like this was the real life fun money. Like, oh, you want a pizza tonight? Boom. Oh, we going out? Boom. Like, say less. We're getting food, we're getting extra, we're getting like, I was just spending and blowing it. So before I actually went on a budget and started, you know, being more adult with my thing, because honestly, until we get control of our finances, like we just out here enjoying life. I don't want to call anybody a child, because I was once there. I am still there. I'm working. I ain't got no kids, and even then, I don't even know if I'm gonna be ready for them. But anyways, talking way too much. But like I said, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, you know, let your girl know. And thank you guys so much for watching. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Spirit fingers. You're gonna get the spirit fingers in all of these videos. If you're not seeing my face, you're gonna get the spirit fingers. All right, we out. Bye. Hey guys, I know this isn't my usual setup, but I just wanted to show you guys the cash that I took out of the bank for this video. This is $720, and so as we know, 25 of this is for my maintenance, and then the other $695 is for my 10K and $5 challenge. So just wanted to put this in here. It's not a cash stuffing video, but it is an update, and so yeah. All right, guys.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.